Let's review some key reminders when using your sidewall remover.
First of all, the tension of your grip should be an 8 or 9 out of 10. However, the downward pressure on the sidewall with the cutter should be a 1 out of 10. Remember, once you get the curl, you can increase your downward pressure slightly to a 2 or 3, and then ease up again at the opposite end of the ski to a 1 to prevent any chattering. Keep your sidewall remover fairly close to you with your elbow bent, and maintain the exact same speed by walking with your tool. Try using your forefinger and thumb to pinch the stainless steel pin for enhanced precision and minimize vibration. This will help eliminate the potential for chatter marks on your sidewall. We don't recommend taking short, aggressive, overlapping passes. They will likely create tiny grooves in the sidewall that turn into severe chatter marks as you make more passes. If you're experiencing chatter marks, it's most often caused by an incorrect cutter angle, you're pushing down too hard and too quickly, or you're using the wrong cutter for the density of your sidewall. Take your time, test, and figure out what works best on your skis. If you're finding your files slipping on the edge when you're trying to sharpen them, this is typically solved by aligning the file on your top sheet tool to remove this thin layer of aluminum alloy with just a couple of passes.